of the reasons that we call it Expandacraft. So rather than just having something that you can paddle around on, you can use it as a sled to carry whatever you want. Whether it's a cooler full of beer or a rowdy big dog or your kids, it just gives you something else that you can get some equipment to the island with. I'll show you how it stays directly behind a kayak instead of like towing another kayak with a kayak. It tends to flop all over the place. Watch how it just stays right behind the kayak. The other interesting things is you can actually back this trailer up, unlike some of the others, but if you do it with a little practice, you find out that it stays put in one place. This kit runs you about $550. There are others you can use outriggers so that you can stabilize canoes like this. Check us out at Expandacraft.